Okay, I won't take a picture, I promise. Okay, go. I'm not taking a picture, promise.
No.
I'm not taking one.
He's just getting centered.
I can see you, see?
I'm not taking a picture, Rusty. Nope, I'm not
You're
taking.
rolling.
Okay, go. Read it.
Fine. TV and me. The best show on TV is That's So Raven. The worst show on TV is Oli Poly. The best channel is 41. The best commercial is How to Get Money. The commercial that really drives me nuts is when they just talk.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
If I were on a TV show, I'd be Lizzie McGuire. I'd play a cool person. My friends would play Miranda and Kate. She has the worst hair on TV, Tommy. In 10 years, Lizzie will be really big. The TV show that really makes me think is The House of Mouse. The funniest show is That's So Raven. I really think there should be more shows about friends and what to wear for school.
What about Sister Sister?
Okay, you're gonna turn my socks.